Outdoors with Jim. Today I have this window soft cab enclosure from StarknightMT. They gave me this product to demo and try out. In this video you'll see an unboxing, the installation. It's important you watch the whole video because there are some tricks and tips. Make sure you hit that like button and subscribe. Nice rolled up. Let's see. The instructions right here. So as you can see, the instructions. Nicely wrapped. Covered up. Let these stretch out. So looking at the instructions here, it does say it's compatible with the roof, windshield, any other accessories, back windshield, but it also says to remove them before installing the cab. I removed my front windshield. I believe I should be able to do this with the roof on. If not, I can readjust. All it is Velcro straps that go around the roll bar, as you can see, and some adhesive right here that stick to the door. So, good. I may have to loosen the roof just a little bit on this one. So right here, I did have trouble with the roof still tightened down. I did loosen it, so it gives me the ability to work the straps back through. I definitely recommend loosening it before loosening, or just take the roof right off would be the easiest. So I got all the Velcro around the roll bars. I definitely recommend removing the roof. You can do it with the roof on, but it probably would have saved me time if I took the roof off. I was able to squeeze it through, get it all tightened up, realized the sticky part down here was a little high, so I went back through, loosened the straps back up, and now I have the sticky part down here able to line up with the door. So at this point, you want to make sure you wash your side by side and it's clean, which I have done. Make sure the straps are out of the way. Tug down and go right along. You just want to make sure it's low enough. And then work it along the side. This will close up the air gaps. And then there's some over here as well, and on the roll bar part. So what I've learned on this is the second window that I've put in. Leave all your straps loose on the outside here. Unzip your window. And this is, peel back your stickers here. And this is easier instead of, you can line it up. As you can see the Velcro. On the other side, I tried doing it with the window up, and I found it was a little challenging. So this way I can actually line it up exactly where it needs to go. Right on top of the door. Like so.